Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So you could see that, well, in general, currently it's becoming a bit difficult to trade. Trading is becoming a bit tricky. Right now, it's just because of a lot of external drivers appeared that unfortunately you can't control with the technical analysis. So many people on the forum means that, so telling about this, that's currently it's, well, very difficult trying to catch all this stuff and make the correct decision for position taking. So you could see that the upper direction that we discussed, but this was not our primary scenario. It has happened, and once again, it's a few reasons of the external meaning has come. So we have covered a few of them in a Telegram channel today. Mostly it relates to the Bitcoin. As Bitcoin, BlackRock ETF field now is taking the next step and currently is appearing in the list of the improvement. That's the next stage. So you could see in Telegram the comments. So it has appeared in the list of the Security and Exchange Commission of the ETFs that are next on the consideration, on the analysis. So, and that really has just pushed the Bitcoin prices higher, so reaching our weekly target around 36. This was a bit lower, 35, but in general very close. But what's interesting, guys, that there were no real movement of the Bitcoin on exchanges. This is purely speculative action. So another reason, so if we'll take a look at the performance of the United States dollar index and treasury yields, you will see that now it stands in a retracement, has dropped significantly recently, and that's of course the major driver for the euro. It's not because of the euro has become stronger, it's just because of the retracement on the dollar. But the background of this retracement, if we're talking only only from the technical point of view, take a look what we have on a 10-year yield. Once the 5 interest rate has been reached, it's our target. This is monthly chart. Take a look, market is strongly overbought on the monthly chart. It suggests moderate pullback here. So it means that on a daily chart, the real pullback as on the United States dollar index, as in the euro currency, might be more or less significant. And from that standpoint, combination of all these factors, I suppose the retracement on the dollar was triggered by the news on the ETF, because its topic is really popular right now. So it's lots of rumor stands around it, and I think that investors just overvalued it and it's reacting really strongly on any news that appeared here, and some kind of now the news trying to bring to the Bitcoin some features of the gold, safe haven, protection on inflation, preserving the capital, preserving your own wealth. So, and all this stuff is making on the investors' mind, and in the minds, investors are replacing the Bitcoin, United States dollar with the Bitcoin, and that's also might be the reason for retracement, not just the pullback on the treasury yields, but also with this recent news, because to buy the Bitcoin you have to sell dollars, and well, maybe the overall recent activity was not as strong in terms of the turnover of the currency, but still this could make impact in the short-term charts. So that's the few reasons that we have. Unfortunately, we can't control these things and just could act only giving some response on the news that have been released. So taking it all together, we suggest that here we could get the upward continuation, and here we should recall about our weekly chart when we said that's with the weekly downside thrust. That might be around 107.50, 107.60. In our case, it will be 107.50, 108 EUR because XOP stands right there. It will be great opportunity for taking the short positions. Might be the bread and butter sell. When market will come here, we will see. But currently, we're watching this level as the next target. It's also, you can see, accompanied with the overbought area on the daily chart. So here, market has relatively free space to this area. So it has broken all major levels on the upside. That's relatively free space. So on the lower time frame, on the follow time frame chart, we have also the butterfly. Market has hit the 127, which is also OP on the daily, as you could see. And well, based on this butterfly, we see acceleration. It means that it will go to the 1618, which is next 107.30, and some kind of the intermediate target because it stands on the way to the XOP. So this might be minor reaction, but hardly will get the major reversal out from there. So market should keep going to the XOP target, but still that will be the next destination point. On the hourly chart, we could consider a few levels. So if we still get some pullback, some minor retracement, you could use, of course, some other levels. You, for example, could use levels or even from these lows to this top, this reaction point. It will give you even slightly closer levels to the current price action. Here we do not expect significant drop, so most probably that will be just 30% pullback somewhere to the 106.40 if it will be at all. And this level we should probably use as some kind of the indicative level. So market should not break it down because currently bullish context, and it doesn't suggest the breakout of the conference to the downside. So in normal situation, when the market shows such kind of the performance, definitely should not break this level down. So as you understand, that currently we're not considering taking any new short position by far. That's what we have on euro currency. Let's keep pushing.